I'm Hannah, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a balloon animal dog. So, you're going to start from the ends that you tied from. And for its snout, you're just going to make a smaller portion size of balloon and twist. So you've got the snout. Next, we're going to make the ears. You're going to do the same portion of amount for the ears as you did for the snout. Then you're going to make another twist. You've got the snout and the ears. Next, we're going to make the neck. Don't need a too big of a portion, but you also don't want a too small of a portion. I think right here is about what you need for the neck. Now we're going to make the legs. We're going to take about the same amount as you did for the neck. And then, once you do that, once you've made the same amount and twisted, you're going to twist here. And then you have the legs. So far we've made the snout, the ears, the neck, and the legs. Next you're going to make the body. Now, if you want a wiener dog, then you should probably have a bigger portion for the body. If you just want a regular dog, then probably about the same portion that you did for the ears for the body. Now, what we're going to do after you've made the body is you're going to make the two back legs, which will be identical to the two front ones. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the exact same thing as you did for the front ones. And take the same amount as you did for the front ones. Bend it. And then then you've got the doggy. And I'm going to take my doggy for a walk. Thank you for watching how to make a balloon animal dog.